Keep watching if you want to learn how to do this back roll variation. The back roll is broken down into 4 components. The first is the wrist movement to give the hoop momentum to roll across your back. The second is the release of the hoop between your finger and your thumb. The third is hinging your hips like this, and the fourth is the catch. So all of those moves together is the back roll. And the other side. Let's start with the hoop in your right hand. Begin using your wrist to start the 4 steps of the move. As the hoop is on the upswing, release the hoop and let it roll across your back. Let's see that again. To create a flat surface for the hoop to roll on, lean forward like this. It makes it easier for the hoop to travel from one side to the other. Really exaggerate the forward hinge. Practice this with your right hand a few times. As you can see, I still need to practice too. Well, since you've tried it with your right hand, let's try it with your left hand. Begin the wrist movement with the hoop in your left hand. This motion will give the hoop momentum to travel across your back. On the upswing, release the hoop and lean forward to give the hoop a flat surface to roll across. When you're ready, release the hoop for the move. Run through this a few times to get more practice in. My left side is my weaker, in quotations, weaker side, so the hoop release and the roll is not as smooth as with my right hand. Time for 3 transitions with the back roll. The first is the horizontal cat-eye to a back roll. The second is the anti-spin flower to a back roll. And the third is a back roll into a reverse sweep. Well, that's all I've got. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check out others in my beginner hula hoop tutorial playlist. Okay, bye!